Here's what you need to know about future of OT ICS security. This is an exam topic in Domain 4, Network Security. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Operational technology, OT, and industrial control systems, ICS, run power grids, water plants, factories, and pipelines. These systems were never designed with cybersecurity in mind, and attackers know it. As OT and IT networks converge, securing critical infrastructure has become one of the most urgent challenges in cybersecurity. Key concept: OT and IT convergence. OT systems, PLCs, SCADA, HMIs, were once isolated, air-gapped from the internet. Today they connect to corporate IT networks and the cloud, dramatically expanding the attack surface. Key concept: legacy systems never patched. Most ICS devices run outdated operating systems like Windows XP that can no longer receive security updates. Patching is often impossible without shutting down critical operations. Key concept: nation-state threat actors. Attacks like Stuxnet, Ukraine, power grid attacks, and the Oldsmar water plant hack proved that nation-states actively target industrial systems. A successful attack can cause physical destruction or loss of life. Key concept: zero trust for OT networks. The future of OT security is zero trust. Assume breach, segment networks, enforce least privilege. Standards like IEC 62443 and NIST SP 800-82 provide frameworks for securing industrial environments. Let's look at the full breakdown. SCADA, supervisory control and data acquisition, monitors and controls remote industrial processes. High-value target, controls entire systems. PLC, programmable logic controller, runs physical equipment, motors, valves, pumps, often unpatched, running legacy firmware. HMI, human-machine interface, operator dashboard for ICS systems, entry point for attackers via phishing. DMZ, demilitarized zone between OT and IT, isolates industrial network from corporate network. Best practice for OT-IT convergent security. IEC 62443, International ICS Security Standard. Defines security levels for industrial zones. Required in energy, manufacturing, utilities. Here's a real-world example. In 2021, an attacker accessed the Oldsmar, Florida water treatment plant through a remote access tool and increased sodium hydroxide levels to 111 times the safe limit. An operator noticed the cursor moving and reversed it in time, but the incident exposed how a single internet-connected HMI with no multi-factor authentication could endanger an entire city's water supply. Quick recap before you go. 1. OT ICS systems control physical infrastructure: power, water, manufacturing, pipelines. 2. Legacy devices run unpatched OS like Windows XP. Patching disrupts operations. 3. OT-IT convergence expands the attack surface dramatically. 4. Nation-state actors actively target ICS. Stuxnet and Ukraine grid attacks proved this. 5. IEC 62443 and NIST SP 800-82 are the key frameworks for securing OT environments. That's future of OT ICS security covered. Exam tip: for any security exam, know that OT ICS security prioritizes availability over confidentiality, the opposite of traditional IT security. Downtime in a power plant or water facility is not acceptable, so patching cycles are years long, not weeks. Next up, what is a SCADA system? If this helped, hit subscribe. New Network Plus topics drop every week.